Hi students, today in this video I am going to solve few more problems based on Jacobian form from the chapter Partial Differentiation and Applications. Before watching this video, please watch my previous videos where I explain the concept of this Jacobian and also the properties of Jacobian form so that you can understand these problems very easily. Now let's start the class. Here is the first problem. If u is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to 2xy, where x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, then we have to show that the Jacobian of this is equal to 4r cube. Okay, here two functions are given u and y and two variables are given x and y. But x is given as r cos theta and y is given as r sin theta. Okay, now let's start the problem, students. First, write down the given functions. U is equal to x square minus y square and v is equal to 2xy. But we have to substitute x and y values that are given in the question. So, u is equal to what is x? R cos theta whole square minus r sin theta whole square. Now, if you take what you'll get? R square cos square theta minus r square sin square theta. Now take r square common. What you'll get? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, now what is cos square theta minus sin square theta? Trigonometry lo manam chadukunnam kada. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. Okay na? So write down that this will become r square into cos 2 theta. Okay, now coming to the second function, that is v is equal to 2xy. Okay na? So v is equal to 2 into what is x? It is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. So what you'll get here? 2r square cos theta sin theta ochindi manaki. Okay, v function is equal to inta. Now see here, students, what I can write this as r square into 2 sin theta cos theta. Ila kuda raskochu kada. So now what is r 2 sin theta cos 2 sin theta cos 2 theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనము ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో చదువుకున్నాం. సో v is equal to r square into sin 2 theta. Is that clear, students? Now, సో మనకి ఇప్పుడు u ఫంక్షన్ v ఫంక్షన్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ r అండ్ theta వచ్చేసింది. ఓకే, సో హియర్ u అండ్ v ఆర్ టూ ఫంక్షన్స్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్స్ వచ్చేసి r అండ్ theta అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ వి విల్ మనకేంటి ఫస్ట్ డో u బై డో r ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, డో u బై డో r. So what is u here? U is equal to r square cos 2 theta. Now I will differentiate with respect to r. What you will get? 2r into cos 2 theta. Next we have to differentiate with respect to theta. Okay, dou theta. Now what is see here, r square into cos 2 theta ni differentiate cheste what you will get? Differentiation of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, right? Minus sin 2 theta. మళ్ళీ ఈ 2 theta ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే వాట్ విల్ గెట్ 2. సో టోటల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ minus 2r square sin 2 theta. Okay, now in the same way come to the second function, that is v is equal to r square sin 2 theta. Now first dv by dou v by dou r చేయాలి. It is nothing but 2r into sin 2 theta. Next dou v by dou theta చేయాలి with respect to theta. So what you'll get? R square into sin 2 theta. Differentiation of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta. And again if I differentiate this 2 theta, I will get it as 2. Okay, so now it is 2r square cos 2 theta. Okay na? So మనకి ఇవన్నీ వచ్చేసి now we'll write down Jacobian form. Only two functions ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి we'll get a 2/2 matrix. So Jacobian of u comma v by r comma theta is equal to, you can also write this as dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta is equal to determinant of ux. Okay, not ux, it is ur because we are differentiating with respect to r, right? So ur u theta, next vr and v theta is equal to, write down the values. మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? ఫస్ట్ 2r cos 2r cos 2 theta. Next here it is minus 2r square sin 2 theta. Here it is 2r sin 2 theta and the last one మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది? 2r square cos 2 theta. Now we will find the determinant. Okay, since this is a 2 by 2 matrix, determinant ఏంటి students? AD minus BC. Multiply these two and subtract these two. Okay na? So what you will get? Determinant 2r into cos 2 theta into 2r square into cos 2 theta. Minus into minus plus. Okay, 2r square sin 2 theta into 2r sin 2 theta. Is that clear students? So ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ? 4r cube cos square 2 theta plus here it is also 4r cube sin square 2 theta. Now I will take 4r cube common. What you will get students? Cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. Now what is the value of this cos square theta? Cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta is nothing but 1. So 4r cube into 1 which is 4r cube. Okay, మనకు అదే కదా రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నారు. See 4r cube. Okay na? So hence proved. So what you will write? Therefore dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta is equal to 4r cube. Hence proved. Is that clear students? Next coming to the second problem. See here, second problem. If u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy and v is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, then we have to find dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y. Okay, ante here the functions are u and v and the variables are x and y. Okay na? So now start the problem. First write down the given functions. U is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy and v is given as tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, so first yes, now we will differentiate with respect to x. Dou u by dou x is equal to, okay, this is 1 minus xy whole square. V square kada. See ఇక్కడ నేను u by v రూల్ రాశాను, చూసుకుంటుండండి. Now what is v? 1 minus xy into differentiate u with respect to, that is x plus y ni with respect to x differentiate చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది. Minus what is u here? x plus y into differentiate 1 minus xy with respect to x. What you will get here students? Minus y వస్తుంది is equal to, now let's solve this. Okay, 1 minus xy, okay, minus into minus plus, what you will get? xy plus y square. So I can cancel minus xy and plus xy divided by, okay, 1 minus xy whole square. So what you will get here? 1 plus y square by 1 minus xy whole square. So this is totally dou u by dou x students. Now we have to find out dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y with respect to y differentiate చేయాలి and same u by v rule use చేసుకోవచ్చు. What is v square? It is 1 minus xy whole square. Now 1 minus xy into differentiate the numerator with respect to y, you will get it as 1 minus x plus y into differentiate the denominator with respect to y, I'll get it as minus x. So what you will get here students? 1 minus xy, here minus into minus plus x square plus xy. So I will cancel this minus xy and plus xy divided by 1 minus xy whole square. So what are you getting here? 1 plus x square by 1 minus xy whole square. So మనకి dou u by dou y వచ్చేసి 1 plus x square by 1 minus xy whole square వచ్చింది. Now write down the second function. What is given in the question? V is equal to, ఇక్కడ చేసి చూడండి, V is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is the second function. Here we will differentiate with respect to x first. అంటే what is the differentiation of tan inverse x? It is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, 1 by 1 plus x square. Now differentiate with respect to y. It is nothing but tan inverse y is 1 by 1 plus y square. ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీలో మనం ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఆల్రెడీ చదువుకున్నాము, డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఫార్ములాస్, ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఫార్ములాస్. ఓకేనా, ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లంలో ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఫార్ములాస్ యూస్ చేసాము. హియర్ వి షుడ్ మేక్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఇవన్నీ వచ్చేసాయి కదా. Now this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So Jacobian of u comma v by x comma y is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y is equal to differentiation రాసుకోండి ux uy vx vy. ఓకేనా. వాట్ ఈస్ ux? ux is nothing but dou u by dou x. మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్? 1 plus y square by 1 minus xy whole square వచ్చింది. Now what is uy? It is nothing but dou u by dou y. 1 plus x square by 1 minus xy whole square. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి డో వి బై డో ఎక్స్ ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ చూడండి. డో వి బై డో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. డో వి బై డో వై ఈజ్ 1 by 1 plus y square. సో అది రాసేసుకుందాం ఇక్కడ. సో వాట్ యుల్ గెట్ హియర్ 1 by 1 plus x square and here it is 1 by 1 plus y square. Now we have to find out the determinant. 2 by 2 matrix kada, simply AD minus BC. Okay, so 1 is what you'll చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. 1 plus y square by 1 minus xy whole square into 1 by 1 plus y square. ఓకే చలో ఇది ఫస్ట్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి 1 plus x square by 1 minus xy whole square into 1 by 1 plus x square. See here students, ఇక్కడ కేర్ఫుల్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే మనకి 1 plus y square 1 plus y square క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 1 plus x square 1 plus x square క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, రైట్. సో మనకి ఇప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ లెఫ్ట్ నౌ హియర్ 1 by 1 minus xy whole square మైనస్ ఇక్కడ కూడా 1 by 1 minus xy whole square which is nothing but 0. Therefore what is the value ఏం అడిగారు క్వశ్చన్లో is asking us to find dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y. మనకి అది ఆన్సర్ 0 వచ్చింది. Therefore dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y is equal to 0 is the answer. Is that clear students? Hope you understood, and for more videos and updates please do subscribe the channel and download Sankalp Study Success app. Thank you students.